Hi, my name is Montana Weidman, a material science engineer with a minor in chemistry.
And my name is Caleb Lesswing, a mechanical engineer with a material science minor.
And together we are
Vitrum Everlasting. Founded in 2024 in Alfred, New York, we are a glassware company that is passionate about long-lasting, durable products that will make you never worry about dropping glass again.
Broken glass is a home and business front hazard for pets, children, and the adults that inevitably must clean it up. Restaurants and bars replace an average of 50 to 100% of glassware each year due to scratching, breaking, and chipping. The average U.S. restaurant stocks almost 300 glasses, spending up to $1,300 in supply replacement each year, making restaurant glassware a $1.4 billion industry. To reduce expenses, businesses have turned to using the alternative plastic cups, a choice that, while cost-effective, tends to convey a less refined ambiance and aesthetic and introduces new hazards like leaching of microplastics into short wear time.
In the United States, 69% of recyclable glass is sent to landfills annually. Unrecycled glass accounts for 5.2% of landfill waste, making up 7.6 million tons of glass each year. Our process will prevent glasses from making it to the landfill and reduce this number, saving glass from becoming trash in the first place.
Competitors on the market claiming unbreakable glassware like Drunique are offering tempered glass, which still breaks, but just breaks safer. Other competitors like Flawless are making glassware from a robust, heavyweight plastic that closely mimics the appearance and feel of traditional glass, but is not glass. Our glass will not break when dropper impacted.
You may have heard of Saxon Glass, who uses ion exchange glass and EpiPens, which has increased the success rate of administering epinephrine from 58.3% to 94.8%. We use a more efficient ion exchange process. Patent pending. We present a new line of glassware and dishware with engineered glass surface to ensure that neither you nor the glass is stressed when dropped.
In our innovative glass production technique, we harness ion exchange to eliminate the inherent stress typically induced during cooling, resulting in an unbreakable product. Simultaneously, we integrate copper ions, imparting the glass with antibacterial and germicidal properties that eliminate all surface germs and viruses. This dual-action process not only enhances durability, but also significantly lowers the risk of illness spread and cross-contamination, all while adding an attractive light blue hue.
Our customers will be able to choose from two dishwasher-safe options: Classic Vitrum Everlasting Clear and Antibacterial Everlasting Blue. Using our glasses, customers will be able to host sophisticated dining experiences without the hassle of broken glass.
With the best equipped team in the nation, we have combined 2 generations of glass engineering, 7 technical degrees, 2 in-process patents, and decades of business experience to introduce a new reliable household name in American dining. We project that by adding 1 sales representative per year and help from social media ambassadors, we will be able to make an average of 16 sales per month, resulting in $378,000 in revenue in our first year. As we improve our marketing, we can expect our revenue to increase by 48% in year 2 and 68% in year 3, reaching $1.2 million in revenue by 2027. Costs associated with our process include outsourced glassware, our ion strengthening process, and labor. To produce 1 glass, sold for an average of $7 per unit, costs us $2.64, allowing us to operate at a 160% profit. Our total addressable U.S. market is currently valued at $28 billion, with a projected 5.56% increase by 2032. Our focus, the average U.S. restaurant, is a $1.4 billion market, with our initial target market in New York State making $28 million. This means if we increase our addressed market in New York State by 1% annually, that by year 2035, we will be bringing in $3.6 million in revenue as the company grows. So by reaching only 10% of the total U.S. market, we would reach $150.9 million in revenue annually. Our initial target market would be local restaurants and bars in New York State, with our first product line carrying wine, spirit, and pint glasses. Our first marketing campaign would start with hand-delivered 6 glass sample sets. This will give us direct and detailed feedback, building early on customer relationships.
Current actions for the company are to produce our first proof of concept products and have local restaurants test them out. Next steps are to build a more in-depth financial model based on our market research and create our online storefront. Our goal is to create B2B sales to caterers and larger restaurants across the East Coast. If Vitrum Everlasting won the prize money, we would use these funds to upgrade our lab equipment and increase our staff, which will allow us to decrease the lead times on bulk customer orders.
Stop using your dad's red solo cup when hosting parties and events. Elevate your presentation and eliminate your stress with Vitrum Everlasting.
Judges, thank you for listening, and a special thank you to our advisors, Dr. LaCourse and Al Vasquez.